2022. This one here I got a call from a lady. She says her kitchen faucet's making all kinds of noises when she turns it on. So it could be a loose washer down below or something in the faucet itself. The way she was talking, something's vibrating in there, making all kinds of noise. So I'm gonna go by there and see if we can figure out what's going on. I just got my truck back from the guy. I put that. He had to replace one of the injectors on the motor. So I got it back. It seems to be sounding better. I was in there for a couple of days waiting for this flipping thing. But anyway, try to get you some footage. It's been a couple of days since I posted videos. See if we can figure out what's going on with it for this damsel in distress.
Mad.
Whoa.
Spray.
What's spraying out?
This thing.
Okay.
Don't know why. Don't know how to fix it.
Go ahead, turn it on. Let's see if we can hear it.
Angry.
Yeah, crazy, huh? Maybe it's this. See, when we stop this, no, shut it off. Shut it off. Turn it on. Maybe it's this.
The spray thing?
Yeah, because this thing's spraying all over, you said, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Ooh. Look at that, huh? Ain't that queer? Let's see if I got another one in the truck, maybe.
Woo.
Maybe. Let me see. That would be nice, wouldn't it?
Yep. Want to get it fixed up for these nice people buying our house.
Yeah, it's the same kind. It's just chrome. They probably never know the difference. Let's see if it works. No, might have to put a couple. Might have to change it. That other part.
You got your truck back.
I did, yeah.
Does it feel better?
It's definitely different. I'm surprised this thing's leaking. Did you bang it or something? No?
Nope. Just started doing it one day. Wouldn't stop. Couldn't figure out what it was.
I don't know. We'll have to see what the bottom looks like in here. How much shit is in there?
Oh, it's not too bad.
Not too bad.
It's in like buckets and stuff. Ready? Watch. I just finished organizing it actually.
Yeah, I gotta be able to look in there and see what we got.
Take me 2 seconds.
Looks the same. I'm surprised it looks the same.
Oh, my cleaning supply. How's that?
I'm gonna probably have to change the holes if I can find something else that fits in there. No, I'm gonna need to get this all out of here because I gotta slide in here.
Oh, yeah, I can do that.
I gotta slide in here and see what the hell's going on with this thing.
So if I get another faucet, that it'll be this and this, right?
Yeah, it'd be everything, yeah.
Okay. That's not that big of a deal.
Either that or maybe it's the diverter. If I take the diverter out, maybe it won't. Sometimes you can take this thing out of here. It's all plastic.
I mean, if the answer is we gotta get a new one, we'll get a new one. That's okay.
It's all part of it. It's all part of the faucet.
She's overreacting. You snuck into her shrink's office.
No, it ain't coming out.
Later say, I'm not allowed to have oral sex with an intern either.
Yeah, they're definitely not gonna like that, making all that hammering noise and shit, huh?
No, but if it's just that, when they do the inspection, if it's just the faucet, it's not that big of a deal. If it's nothing bigger, you know?
Yeah, most likely that's what it is. I mean, because you see when I pressed it, it stopped making that.
Yep.
The problem is my adapter's not fitting on there.
Yeah, that's okay. I can definitely get a new one.
The only problem is, yeah, this is granite.
Yep.
You have to make sure you get something that has long shanks on it. See this here? Because this has to go down through the granite.
Yep.
So it has to have long shanks. Some faucets won't fit on this.
I'll just try to get one that matches, kind of.
No, you have to get one that's got long shanks.
Yeah.
Because these go down through and you got to put the nut on the bottom. Man, I wish I could fix it for you, but I can't.
New faucet's not the end of the world, though.
Looks like the same thing, but would be nice is if I could fix it. Oh, new faucet's not crazy money, right?
Alright, let's find out.
What's going on? It's just a different setup. If you put this on, you push this down and run it.
Nothing.
See it?
Yep.
When this is on, see how it squirts out like that?
Yep.
So it could be in this diverter here that's bad, or the sprayer, but I'm done. I can't do nothing else with it. You know, I got all kinds of, I save all this old stuff for this reason, but it's not fitting on there.
Yeah, that's okay. I'll just get a new one. It's not the end of the world.
No. If you want to tape this and leave it in here, it'll stop it for now.
Yeah.
Just for now, to get you by.
It's a couple inches.
I wish I could just
Two, 3 inches.
change it for you, but let me take one more look in my thing, okay?
Yeah, no worries. I'm Googling away.
Googling what?
Faucets.
Faucets.
You'll find one at the Home Depot.
Let's see if this one works.
This is ours, $99. Pick up today.
Oh, maybe this one will work. Look at that shit.
Stop.
It's even got the same color.
Woo!
Look at that shit, huh?
So it's just the sprayer?
Yep.
That's it?
Yep.
That's why I save things.
My husband's real handy. He couldn't figure it out.
I'm fucking useless.
I don't know.
However,
You're good at many things.
you know what I'm good at?
What?
Raising your goddamn baby all day.
Look at that, huh? Ain't that cool? I had one. I had the same color and everything. I had to dig deep. Okay.
This is a good day. Steven, saves the day.
I usually save them with the hoses and the sprayer if they're good for that, you know, something like this happens. Save the old hoses if they're good. I got quite a few of them in there, different kind. I had to dig deep for that one. But I found one in there. They're all different. If they're good stuff like that, I save it. Might be in there for a year, 2 years before I use it, but I'll use it.